Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a clever workaround to add videos to your featured section on your Facebook profile. So this process is straightforward. So now without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, it's important to note that Facebook's featured section is designed for photos only, so you can't add a video file directly. But with this workaround, I will show you a clever way to do exactly this. So first, simply open your Facebook, then all you have to do is simply click on Create Story at the very top here. Choose a video that you want in your featured section, and then click on that video. And after that, if you want to add anything, you can always do that. If you want to disable the upload to your Instagram, simply click on the Instagram option, which is at the very bottom left, and then disable that section. And then click on Continue. And now click on Share. And then click on OK. Now I'm just going to wait for a few seconds.
And now if you want that your story shouldn't be public, you can always customize it to private. It's totally up to you. And you can do that by simply clicking on your story. Then the three dots at the top right. After that, simply choose Edit Story Privacy, and then simply choose Custom. And then simply choose any one of your friends. Once you have done that, you can go back. And now all you do is in your story, click on Highlights. And then add a title, let's say VFX. And here you will also have the option to change your cover photo. So simply click on that and choose any other cover photo from your gallery. So click on the camera option and choose a good-looking cover photo. And then simply click on Use, and now all you have to do is click on Save. And if you go back to your profile in the Highlights section, and then if you click on that, you will be able to see that the video is running just fine, and it is also inside the Highlights section. So now, that's it. You now have a clever way to add a video into the featured section of your Facebook profile. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.